Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log in to Meyer Mastercard online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the search box, type in www.freddiesmastercard.com and press enter on a keyboard. You'll end up in this page from where you can easily click on the login button at the top right hand corner and enter your account login information in the text boxes. The Meyer Rewards World Elite Mastercard offers instant savings at fuel stations. To log in and access to your account, type in your username associated with it in the first text box. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on this create a username and password link and follow through the on-screen prompts. After entering your username, you go to the next field and type in your correct password. If you don't remember your username or your password, get help by clicking on Get a Login Help link and follow through the instructions. After filling in all of your details, click the login button in order to access your Meyer's Mastercard online account. Quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.